Robert GRISWOLD, Iurii BOZHYNSKYI, and Niels Mortensen go in lanes 3, 4, 5, and 6. Robert GRISWOLD, the 19-year-old world record holder in the 100 backstroke in years gone by, and 200 world record holder currently. Good start for BOZHYNSKYI of Ukraine going in lane 5. HRYNENKO and BOZHYNSKYI of Ukraine going in 3 and 5, while GRISWOLD of the United States, looking to go through the center of the two Ukrainian swimmers, goes in 4. A man who's already posted a 1:04 this season, which is a second odd better than the Paralympic record, and now comes into his own. Niels Mortensen of Denmark is going in lane 6, and at the moment is not quite keeping pace. First to turn will be the 19-year-old American swimmer. Takes a little while to get into his stroke, and perhaps why the 100 is not quite his favorite event, but indeed is the 200 world record holder over this distance, but looking very strong in this race.
Absolutely, it's very even across the field, just the 4 swimmers in this race, and one more heat to come before the final is decided, but it does look like the American, the 19-year-old, has the advantage. In fact, he's building a small lead here, about half a body length.
Just taking it into the wall, doing only what he has to do, is Robert GRISWOLD, and goes to the wall comfortably quickest in Paralympic record time, and just about bang on what he's been swimming this season leading up to Rio 2016. BOZHYNSKYI and HRYNENKO take second and third respectively in the heats, but expect something a little faster from the 2 Ukrainians in the final. GRISWOLD will know that he will need to go a little faster in the final if he is to claim the gold medal in an event that he's desperate to win.
Well, the good news there for GRISWOLD was he swam under a Paralympic record, but didn't actually look as though he extended himself to the full, so we may actually have another record set in the second session on day 6 when the final rolls around.
Good on the turn. Took a little while to get into his race, but with 20 meters to go in the opening 50, he was already into it, and indeed at the turn just extended his advantage and then turned it on for the final few yards in the pool. And GRISWOLD, a little fist bump. The men's 100-meter backstroke SA